Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Galang Buana Gangga with video number 25 and 73 10 10. So today I will make another video assignment. I just got back to my place. It's 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. and it was raining hard. It has been raining in Padang for the past 2 weeks non-stop. And it has been frustrating me. I caught a flu and a fever. I hope that this weather stops. So yeah, I don't know what I'm talking about. The point is that Padang is literally becoming, I don't know, a literally raining city. I hope that this weather actually stops soon because some of my classes got cancelled because of this weather. So yeah, let's get to the topic. So last week we talked about translation and interpretation. So in today's video we will talk about forensic linguistic and then stylistic and also semiotics. So yeah, let's start from forensic linguistic. So the simple way to explain forensic linguistic is that it's a linguistic study that explains about how language is used in the law system. So if a language has anything to do with law, it's included in forensic linguistic. Some of the example is like authorship, maybe like if someone writes a book and they have a problem with authorship, forensic linguistic will help them. And then plagiarism, and also crime confessions maybe, and also police interviews, and the most famous one is the forensic phonetics. It's when experts analyze voice recordings to identify speakers, so whether the speaker is lying or if he's being real, they analyze that through language. Yeah, that is the simple way to explain forensic linguistic. Uh, it applies linguistic to lethal problems like authorship and then plagiarism, confessions, and then police interviews, forensic phonetics, things like that. That is all included in forensic linguistic. The next one is stylistic. It's pretty clear from the name, it's a study of linguistic style. So it's like the opposite of linguistic. So in linguistic, you learn the language structure, like the correct language structure. Meanwhile, in stylistic, it explains about how language style creates meaning in text. So yeah, like in novels, you cannot just use a translator to translate things because the meaning could be different. That is stylistic. And there are some topics in this stylistic thing such as diction. This is the words that you use, the word choice, and then the structure of the sentence, and then the sound patterns, the figurative language, and then the rhythm of the language, the note, the tone, and then the voice, things like that. It is all included in stylistic. Obviously, there is a purpose of learning this. So the purpose of stylistic is to help readers or people to see how literary effects that are produced through language. So yeah, so it connects linguistic with the literary interpretation. So you do not just interpret the sent you do not just translate the sentence, you interpret the sentence, you understand the real meaning of the sentence. That is the purpose of learning stylistic. And why do we have to learn about this? So there are some reasons that I can think of, such as the writer's expression and then the intention of the sentence, and then by learning stylistic you can understand about the genre of the text, whether it's scary, if it's comedy, and then sad, dramatic, things like that. I'm sorry. And also it connects between the writer and the reader. The readers can understand about the writers. That is why learning stylistic is important. I apologize. And then the last one is semiotics. I don't really understand about this topic. It's talking about the study of signs. Signs in this topic is not like sign language. Sign is the thing, like anything that stands for something else. For example, like uh, you know the McDonald's symbol, like the logo, it stands for McDonald's, the restaurant, right? That is included in semiotics. I really apologize for me coughing because yeah, I've been coughing for the past week and I drank some medicine and it's not working well. I don't know what happened to me. I hope that I get well soon. So yeah, basically sign is literally anything that stands for something else, including words, image, sounds, and then symbols, gestures, things like that. The easiest way to explain this is, yeah, giving a logo as an example, like a KFC logo, McDonald's logo, then Adidas logo, Nike's logo, things like that. And then in semiotics, there are some things that are included, such as I'm pretty sure semantics and pragmatics is included in this topic, but I'm pretty sure there is one more thing. I forgot about the name, but it has to do with the structure. So, semantic is the meaning, and then pragmatic is the context, and then the third one is about the structure. Is it synthetic, syntactic, things like that? So yeah, it's It has to do with something about syntax. So yeah, I don't really understand about the semiotic things, so I cannot really get too deep into it. I apologize about the coughing. I think that's it for the video. Once again, I apologize that I'm sick. Yeah, I hope that I get well soon. Yeah, thank you for watching this video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.